So I'm testing charging from home, and I'm going to show you how I'm doing this. So here is the plug, and if you follow the wire, now it started to rain, and that's why I have a contraption here to cover the Tesla charger and the here and the plug. Okay, it's charging, and let's see how much did it charge. Oops, sorry, I have music on. Let me stop here and charging. So I started 46%, and now I'm 63. I'm charging at 5 amps times 220 volt. So it's 1100 watts. So it's basically 1 kilowatt. So I charged 13 kilowatt hour, and it's pretty good. So now I'm going to stop charging because it started to rain, so I don't want to leave this contraption out and the charger out. And the test was pretty good. I need to change I need to change the wiring inside my garage because they are old wires, and probably the section is not it's not the one that you are supposed to have for going to 2, 3, 4 kilowatts, okay? So I need to change the wires inside the walls. So I need to probably hire an electrician to do the work. But it was great test. It worked, everything worked. So I can actually use it like this when it's done raining. Maybe I can park close to the garage, but there's not much space for other cars to pass by. Let's see how it goes. It's pretty good. I'm pretty happy about it. So I'm going to leave my Tesla referral in the description. Check it out. All other links about the accessories. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification if you're already subscribed, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.